Let's take a look at this eyeshadow. This is by Insight liquid eyeshadow with tea tree oil. Comes in this shiny packaging. Costs around 155 rupees or $2 or so. Manufactured in Maharashtra, India. This liquid eyeshadow is designed with shiny shimmers for every type of makeup, which will glorify your look. The fast drying smudge proof formula enriched with tea tree, which blends effortlessly and stays for longer time along with no flaw of shimmers. Tea tree, it helps skin dryness and maintains oil balance on skin. It is antibacterial in nature and has anti-inflammatory properties. So let's see how it looks. The color is rainforest. That's how it looks. That's quite shiny. I get the rainforest now. It has a greenish tint to it. Quite a interesting one. Quite nice. Check it out.